my channel Sports Voice. Today I am in Jumpro Fitness Center in Bangalore. Here I have come to meet so many women sports professionals on the occasion of Women's Day. On this special day, we are here meeting with so many women sports professionals. Let's have an interaction with them, and I'm very proud to be here interacting very great sportswomen in, all over from India. So we have a small get together. So let's join them. Come on.
Hi, good morning everybody. This is Shubha Chittaranjan. I'm a sports psychologist. So I'll give you a small intro about myself. I was an international swimmer myself. So started my swimming since 98 to 2010 was when I retired from swimming. So I've participated in more than 35 international tournaments and also won international medals. So now I work as a mind coach, and I have my clinic in Kumaraswamy Layout that is called Shubha Counseling Services. So we are service providers to most of the sporting academies around in and around Bangalore. So today I'm here to connect with a lot of sports professionals to understand what they do and to also share my experience of what is happening in the sports industry and what needs to be done to the sports industry. Because being a swimmer myself, the psychology part was not given into this thing only. There was no priority given to the mind. So only thing we had to do is only train. So at times we do have, I'll say we because I was also a part of that, and then we do have a lot of confusion as to how to perform, because sports is performing under high stressful situation. So this needs a lot of support from the family in terms of other professionals. So my area here is to provide mental skills training for competitive athletes, and that's what we do in our, we have a set of experienced counselors where we focus on enhancing the performance by training their mind to get where they want to go.
Hi everyone, I'm Samyukta. First of all, wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. I'm a professional table tennis player, currently ranked 2 in the state. I've been representing Karnataka for 7 years now, and I'm also an avid animal rescuer. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Lalita Kumar. Wishing all a very, very happy Women's Day. Basically, I was a working woman. I have worked about 16 to 18 years. And once my daughter started table tennis, I thought I'll take a break and then look after them or encourage them on their interest. And as a parent or a travel manager, whatever, I encourage my daughter, and I'm also an animal rescuer, and I do little bit of modeling assignments whenever there is a time and which suits my age. Thank you, and it's nice to doing networking with you all.
Hi everyone, my name is Rupa Krishnamurthy. I head the operations in Level Up Sports. We are a badminton academy. We handle the grassroots, intermediate and state and national level players training. About me, I'm from an IT background actually, so I've worked past 12 years in IT domain, so this is completely new for me. So I'm still in a learning phase to understand how this whole domain works. So I thought this event might help in understanding how different people in this field can connect and see what we can do ahead. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I hope all of you guys are doing good. My name is Reshma and I've been a professional badminton player. In badminton, I've reached the highest of India #1 in this women's singles category and also the world number 82. I think that was 2 years back, and right now I'm at crossroads, deciding whether to do a management degree or to, just get into the sports industry, because right now badminton I've not been doing so well, so I feel I can, give back to the sport in a way by getting into the industry and, thinking on how to do things as well. And right now I'm interning with this company called Sports Village. Sports Village basically provides physical education training for schools. It's a very structured curriculum, and really nice meeting all of you guys, and hopefully I get some good contacts and good information about the industry here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dechama and I'm a psychologist by profession. I've been a baseball player since 2003, and my last nationals was in 2016. However, I've been practicing as a psychologist ever since, and I've had the opportunity to work with the Indian hockey team as well as the Indian archery team. Now I've actually come back to Bangalore to start working with whoever I can in terms of the psychological aspects. As we all know that all aspects of sports science is really important, so is psychology. I think that's one area where not too much importance has been given, and I think there needs to be a lot of awareness that's created about psychology as well, and they need to understand that it's actually not a quantitative science and it's a qualitative science. I also work with some of the upcoming golfers of the country. So yes, and I've been also working with Ashwini Nachappa Sports Foundation as a consultant psychologist. So I hope I can contribute more to the field of sports. So yes, that's action.
Okay. Hi everybody, my name is Shruti. I am from Tenvik Sports. By education, I'm actually a computer science engineer. I worked in tech for about 5 years before I moved into sport. I've been with Tenvik now for 8.5 years. We offer grassroots level sports coaching, typically in schools. We've also, transgressed into academies and elite athlete coaching as well. In Tenvik, I head HR. I am also a qualified counselor. I'm here actually at this event to see if we can partner with with y'all to see if we could work together. And yeah, that's about it. It's nice that we're all meeting here on Women's Day. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Thanks for inviting me.
Hi guys, my name is Neha, and I trained in badminton for about 7 years until 2019. I used to play state and nationals, but from last year I started training in Muay Thai. I initially joined as just to learn for self-defense, but then I started competing now as well. So that's about it.
So how is it working? You learn self-defense, right? Where did you learn?
There's a club near my house called Roar Combat Fitness. So I joined there. It's basically a mixed martial arts, MMA, but I compete only in Muay Thai right now.
Are you going to competitions?
Yeah. So last year I competed in the state championship and I won, got the gold medal. In November we had the national Muay Thai championship and I won the bronze there.
What is the championship name?
It's called.
It's the Senior Muay Thai National Championship.
So, and yeah, I'm continuing training right now.
All the best for you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I'm Kritika. Basically, I'm an internal auditor, so I handle my own family business. And I have been a sports person all my life. Started off with athletics, and then I got into volleyball, basketball. So I have done my state in all these sports, and then I got interest in martial arts. So I have done my black belt in karate, and then I've been into Muay Thai. It's actually Thai boxing. This martial art was originated in Thailand. So I've been a national champion 10 times in Muay Thai, and I think I'm the only world champion. Till 2019, I'm the only world champion from India who's won gold to India in the world championship in Thailand. So I'm still practicing Muay Thai. Probably another 2-3 years, I'm going to take up Muay Thai as my profession. I want to train more girls, teach them to defend themselves, because it's so important. In today's scenario, it's become so important for girls to defend themselves. So that's about it. It's so good to see you all, and then I hope to be in touch and know more about what you guys do. And thank you.
I wish luck in your profession, success with luck in your profession, women as well. I'm sure that women professional athletes. I have come to Hyderabad, obviously. I have come to Hyderabad, and
See, now we have a small ecosystem. So starting India and now we are around 12,000 fans India and we have around 7,000 but it's just possibly that we can connect people to people. So we are not, it's not a commercial activity, it's that if you need something, you need anybody, we actually exchange numbers, contacts, information. We want people in the sporting industry to connect at a basic level. So we are not asking them to, you have to give us money to get connected. So everybody should connect in sports or we did it. Only then things can change, because if we don't know who to go after, it will be a problem. So our idea of Positive Sports Vibe is just to connect people in this space. So that's how we are actually working towards. That's why we don't come and interact in the between, because if we say something as a talk event, we'll be doing a talk. If it's a networking event, it's a networking event. So as much as possible, please connect. And if we can help somebody in sports, we'll be really grateful. You know, simple as that.
Because you deserve a big round of applause.
Hi, so I'm Osha. This is Karthik. And we both work at Johnson. Firstly, we're really happy that you guys chose Johnson over here. And we're also really lucky. We were just listening to what you guys were saying. Really lucky to have such dedicated and powerful women. So happy Women's Day with you guys. So we'll just give you a little bit of introduction of what the workout is and how it came from. And it will be like a 2-minute showcase. Have you guys seen this?
Never had any other intention.
Started in September. Now we're finally getting into we have like regular classes on India. People coming in for the class.
So the first company to be in India, working on constitution, is Steve from Thailand. So the one who set this up, she went to Thailand and she got trained in data. But basically we got training somewhere else, so we started working on bungee for 2 years now. So it mainly focuses on your core and how to use it, strengthening and body parts coordination and cardio. And in an hour we burn around 500 to 600 calories. And
it's like an hour of spontaneous calories.
And it's too much of fun. We will show how exactly it works.
Yeah, I mean, we'll give you guys free like trial classes, so you can come down whenever. Have a look, see what how you like. And you guys can come for a free trial because you can do free.
That's an add-on for coming first.
Please come. It'll be amazing, like, because if you're already like since all of your athletes, it's even like better for you guys because you'll understand the dynamic of it. Good.